Hello, dear friends. Today I have a point to make. I feel very enthusiastic. I feel very flabbergasted because the videos that I'm sharing with you, the work that I'm trying to do, I'm trying to work out the things, uh, and suddenly something good is happening. Something that feel is motivating me for at least go uh, for for more videos. And what I've been trying to tell here is that I feel like these ideas are basically they are traveling across the continents. They are traveling across the disciplined minds. They are traveling across the feeble minds that you have. And today, what I want is basically I want to share something with you. I want to share something that has fascinated me, that has really flabbergasted me, and share something deeply personal that I would like to share with you. So, the point is that what I have is I have received an email. It's not a big deal that I'm sharing with you, but for me it's a big deal. What I did, I received an email. I received this email from an independent. From a researcher basically, and this researcher is from Uruguay, someone working in computation, computational modeling and theoretical frameworks. And the email that I received, this is something that I want to share with you, and this guy wrote to tell me basically to tell me that the discussions on this channel has helped her probably. It has helped shape her thinking. So how, why, and this is what I'm trying to share with my audience. So what she's telling in that mail is that she told me that our conversations, the things that I talked about, conversations about the vibrational kind of thing that she's describing there, or the listening kind of thing in biological systems. As you know that I have been talking about the biological systems, and she is exclusively talking about the coherence in the living matter, about the quantum-like behavior. So she's expressing her views, uh, and this is what really she feels is fascinated about, and the videos that I have been sharing, they have resonated with her own scientific work. She's perceiving the scientific work, she's doing the scientific research, she's doing that computational modeling. She has a problem she's working on, and really think about that. It really makes me feel beautiful at this moment of time. Even if one person is getting any kind of benefit, a researcher, thousands of kilometers away from here, away from India, away from Kashmir, uh, working uh, working on a research problem and finding value in the ideas that we explore on this channel. We explore here on this channel. We try to share, we try to understand on this channel. Uh, so, uh, so this is what I wanted to share with you, and this is something that really I feel fascinated about. So the point is that this is not about any kind of praise. I'm not praising myself. There's no point of praising. Even if you see the subscribers I have, it's not even crossed 300, and that's not the point. The point is that even one person is making the difference. This is this is what makes a connection, and what it tells basically is that it tells me something very important. It reminds me of something very important. It tells me something very extraordinary for myself, at least, that when we speak honestly, when we speak rigorously, and when we try to speak with some intellect, with an intellectual courage, the, the ideas that you have, these ideas do move. They certainly may hit somewhere, and they move beyond. They move beyond language. They move beyond, I should say, they move beyond the borders that you have. Uh, I mean, they move into the laboratories, uh, provided that you do your work honestly. You're very honest about your work, and they move through these laboratories. They move into the simulations. They move somewhere where people are doing some serious kind of research, and that gives me, I should say, that gives me satisfaction. That gives me pleasure. That gives me the taste. That gives me that all deliberations that I would expect. Because this channel was never meant to be a noise. And it was never an idea to be something like noise. It was meant, basically, it was meant to be a space where physics meets life, where physics meets the biological life, where physics meets the surroundings, where biological systems are discussed. They're not discussed as the mechanical systems. They are not discussed as the mechanical accidents, but as deeply as structured, as deeply as dynamical, as deeply as ordered. And realizing the systems, uh, realizing those coherences, realizing the physics, the laws of physics that are governing these quantum mechanical systems. And believe me, when someone writes to say your ideas, when someone writes a line, your ideas influenced my research, it certainly booms. It certainly creates pleasure. And what does that mean? That means conversation is alive. Even if one person is responding in that fashion, one person is having some kind of feeling what you are revealing. And even if even one researcher finds clarity here, if even one serious thinker refines a hypothesis because of because of because of these discussions, the discussions that we usually have on this channel, it certainly gives me tremendous pleasure, an explosion of pleasure, a bomb kind of pleasure. So then this journey is worth it. Then this journey is making me feel good about it. So today's video is not, it's not just a kind of, of lecturing, a kind of sharing, a kind of uh, crossing the idea. It's a continuation of a global dialogue, a dialogue, a dialogue that I'm talking about, a dialogue between minds, the minds that resonate, a dialogue between minds that may never meet physically, but meet in ideas, meet in their structure of understanding the systems, realizing why how, when.